We are ready to ramp as fast as our partners require. Successful launches in France and Canada during the year have provided many learnings on which we're already building. Those launches took place under the extraordinary circumstances of COVID-19 and the travel restrictions which still apply today. Like many organisations, we've been forced to adapt to this new reality. The good news is that those adaptations have made us stronger, forcing us to adopt new ways of working and in some cases new technologies to enable tasks to be performed at great distance. The result is not just successful launches this time round, but also a template for future projects and permanent benefits to speed and cost. In particular, we've developed new methods for testing and training that work without large numbers of colleagues having to travel and be on site. And of course, with each new launch, there is new data. Data we can learn from and data we can share with our partners to support their own launches. By the end of our 2021 financial year, we will have launched a total of 9 CFCs with this technology, our learning accelerating all the time. Over the last year, we transformed our organisation and built in scale and capability. We formed partnerships with major international manufacturers, including Flex and Jabil, and with local electromechanical installers. We created new international team structures and hired specialists in 8 different countries. As our technology is maturing, we have the capability and now the experience to ramp new client sites fast. Here in the UK, in our Erith CFC, our solution's already operating at a scale far beyond any planned in our client CFCs. That's giving us and our clients great confidence that we can meet any scaling challenge. Now, in 2021, we're rolling out our 3rd generation bot, this time with 75% new parts compared to Gen 2. And we have now integrated the new bot software with our digital twin of a CFC, enabling faster and more accurate simulation, which in turn allows us to scale with greater confidence. We are driving relentlessly towards hardware that's smarter, more scalable, more reliable and easier to maintain. That's improving performance, reducing downtime and cost of ownership.